No, you don't have to lift a finger. We have a professional team that will handle everything from start to finish.
The ordered install process is actually 3 steps. First, we discover your needs. From there, we'll help design a customized solution that's perfect for you. And finally, we deliver and install the products. Yes, we offer a lifetime guarantee on all of our work, ensuring your complete satisfaction for as long as you've owned the home. Our kitchen products are made from solid white birch and other wood products, and our closet products are made with a 3/4 inch industrial grade melamine. Yes, with our kitchen products, we have a variety of wood options. And with our closets, we have close to 100 different colors to choose from.
The installation process can take anywhere from 1 hour to even a couple days, depending on how large the project is. Yes, we'll deliver everything on the day of the install, so you don't have to worry about a thing.
If you have more questions, just reach out, or feel free to ask during your in-home design consultation. We look forward to helping you transform your space.